Rolls-Royce is marking the 101st anniversary of its founders, unprecedented of its time and legendary to this day endurance record. In 1907, Charles Rolls, Claude Johnson, and Sir Henry Royce used the original Silver Ghost to travel the distance of 14,371 miles without stop, a success immediately recognized by the world media. Today, to celebrate the record run, the British luxury marque is launching the special Silver Ghost collection, based on the 2018 Ghost and strictly limited to only 35 units. The cars will be created at Rolls-Royce home in Goodwood, West Sussex in Great Britain. All 35 cars will be finished in bespoke Cassiopeia silver paint, a hue that echoes the color of the original Silver Ghost. The paint takes up to 8 hours to be applied by Rolls-Royce Master Coach Line painter and uses fine particles of 100% pure silver. Another nod to the classic Silver Ghost is the gloss black radiator grille, as well as the fully polished wheel centers with Silver Ghost since 1907 lettering engraved on a Cassiopeia silver backing. The aforementioned grille is home to the legendary Spirit of Ecstasy emblem, which now features a special AX201 hallmark, the registration plate of the original Silver Ghost. Inside the cabin, Rolls-Royce has used a forest green leather upholstery, combined with newly designed silver-tipped leather, making its debut in a Rolls-Royce product. The center console is also unique and features sunglasses and accessories case, while small but stylish tread plates proudly authenticate each car, engraved with the word Silver Ghost Collection 1 of 35. Of course, the vintage styling DOES and mean the car is not equipped with all the latest gadgets from the automaker, including 3 Wi-Fi clear headphones, improved USB and HDMI connectivity, 4G LTE standard antenna, satellite digital audio radio service for the United States, and others.